guys, I'm gonna do like the fake order thing in the YouTube, so we're gonna do that like this. If you want to fake order, I'm gonna do a video. So this box, I will show to you. This is a big squishies. You can fake order this. I have only 3. Sorry because I'm not always doing a squishies. But I have many tiny squishies here. Wait guys. So this is all my squishies. The tiny squishies. This one. Mom. So and I have this. I have more like this. I have photo cards. This is all my photo cards. This is GC. And I don't know who is this, but he is a boy. And this too. This is Lisa. And this is from Blackpink too. Lisa again, and I don't know what is this. And this is from Beanie. Comment this if you don't know this. Only Filipino knows. Because this is a girl group guys, and this is Colette from Beanie too. This is Colette too from Beanie. And this is from Twice. And this is Beanie. That's all the members guys. This is Aya from Beanie too and Beanie. So that's all my photo card guys. But I have more stocks here. This is not all. And I have a DIY sticker here. It's only 2. And I have these keychains. Wait guys. And I have this Sanrio characters paper. You can fake order this too. And this is clips. There's many here. Wait guys. So I probably probably have this like beads. I have a stack here. These beads. Let's open it. Diyan ka muna, be. So, I have these two like tiny papers, but this is not sticker. I have lot of this. Look. You can fake order this too. All I have, you can buy it. So I have this too. It only had 3 pages, but it don't have a drawings. So for the next, I have many stacks of this. So I have a blind box here, Sanrio, and this probably a Roblox. This all. So I'm gonna say this Sanrio's blind box. This is Pum Pum Purina. This is Pochaco. This is Hello Kitty, Kurumi, Cinnamoroll, Melody, and Grow a Garden, and Roblox, and Cute Doll, and Cute Things, I think. So this is what I just made, guys. I just wanna be famous. It's literally night, but I'm still making videos because I'm just boring. I don't know what to post, guys. So I decided to do this. Tomorrow you will see my bag, school bag. So these two, this, you can see, guys. I will see y'all. This is a tiny notebook. All the pages had drawings. And this is my, look at that. This is my little mirror. And my stickers, the stickers. Oh, I forgot one, guys. Wait. So this, I have this too. Maybe later. I have this many stickers. I'm not wasting it because this is my stocks. And these two, guys. And this is just a paper. You can draw it. Drawing. So for the next, the last one, this. I have my teddy bear here. Yeah, it's so cute. And this bricks. And my puppies, like I do a video of this, you'll know, guys. There's just a 1 like, but that's okay. And this is my stocks, my stickers. This is so many, guys. And this is Melody's and Kurumi's home. This is Melody and this Kurumi. We should play this tomorrow, but I don't have time to make a video of this. Like, they can move here. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow I will make a video. Sorry guys, I don't have the time to make. So this is their house looks like. So comment guys if you want these stickers. There's so many. I only have a Melody here and Kurumi. So that's all guys. Bye bye I think, but we're gonna back what? Wait guys. So I'm gonna bye-bye now, but first I'm gonna put this in their table. So wait guys, I'm gonna put this now. Wait guys. I almost fall guys. I will be careful. YouTube. So wait guys. And I had this bracelet. I forgot. Oh wait guys. So that's it. Bye bye guys. I'm gonna post this now. Bye.